Hi, this is a review for Solar Pool Supply. We bought a 7-panel SwimJoy solar pool heater with the plumbing accessories needed to connect it. We bought it in November of 2022 and installed it February or March of 2023. We live in Florida, so we've primarily used it so far during the summertime. It works really well. The pool regularly gets into 90-degree temps with it. Um, we find ourselves actually having to turn it off and bypass it from time to time just because the pool does actually get too hot with it. Haven't used it yet really in the wintertime. So now that we're approaching slightly colder months here in Florida, curious to see how it works through December and January and February. But as of now, we have no complaints with it. Very happy with the product. And it is very nice not having an electrical bill associated with heating the pool. Thank you.